Warning, the following episode of Cosplay Vlogs reactions will contain spoilers. Please do not watch if you have not seen the episode I am watching.
Just kidding. Yeah, so gonna be reacting to Doctor Who episode 4 of series 9, Before the Flood. I realised he actually has a green hoodie this story, not a black hoodie like I originally thought, so that's why I'm wearing the green hoodie. Yeah, roll the titles.
Reaching the stars above, touching the sky.
Cosplay Vlogs reactions.
Did you see that spaceship in the hangar? Yeah, we found that on the lake bed. Play it, eh? Saying something.
The dark, soul, forsaken, protect. These words actually rewrite the synaptic connections in your brain. They're coordinates. Someone is deliberately getting people killed and telling them to transmit this. I can save you.
The Lugos.
So there's this man, he has a time machine. Up and down history he goes, zip, 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 getting into scrapes. Another thing he has is a passion for the works of Ludwig van Beethoven. And one day he thinks, what's the point of having a time machine if you don't get to meet your heroes? So, off he goes to 18th century Germany. But he can't find Beethoven anywhere. No one's heard of him. Not even his family have any idea who the time traveler is talking about. Beethoven literally doesn't exist. This didn't happen, by the way. I've met Beethoven. Nice chap. Very intense. Loved an arm wrestle. No, this is called the bootstrap paradox. Google it.
The what?
The time traveler panics. He can't bear the thought of a world without the music of Beethoven. Luckily, he brought all of his Beethoven sheet music for Ludwig to sign. So he copies out all the concertos and the symphonies, and he gets them published. He becomes Beethoven. And history continues.
Does he think that he's Beethoven?
Barely a feather ruffled.
Guitar, yeah!
My question is this. Who put those notes and phrases together? Who really composed Beethoven's Fifth?
What? What? What has that got to do with the story? Seriously, what's that got to do with the story? Okay. Is that being played by the guitar? I think it actually is. Oh god.
Where's Bennett? We need to get going.
Oh, he's still throwing up.
Thanks.
The minister.
Sorry about that. The prawn sandwich might have been off.
Don't worry. Shall we go?
Just one sec. I've just got something in my boot. It's bigger on the inside. It's bigger on the inside. It's bigger on the inside. How can it be bigger on the inside?
Back to the TARDIS. I need to talk to Clara.
Dead Doctor is very creepy. What the hell? He's about to die, isn't he? And the markings are there now. He just died.
So, ghost me. You're got a better view than me. How do I look? Any signs of trauma, any scars, any clues? What's the matter, Clara? What's happening?
Okay. The doctor's on
Moved
board.
inside. You're inside here now.
What am I doing?
That's very creepy.
You're just standing there.
I'm not trying to kill you. Why am I not trying to kill you?
No, right, you're moving. Going toward the control panel.
Faraday cage. Oh no.
Oh, no. He's opening the Faraday cage. He's let the other ghosts out.
Clara, I need to talk to me now.
But can you hear me? You just opened the Faraday cage. The other ghosts are outside. Shouldn't we be hiding?
In a minute. I need to talk to the ghost me.
Okay. Doctor, you're on.
Doctor. Such an honor. I've always been a huge admirer. This is really delightful. Finally, someone worth talking to. So, answer.
Okay, well, how long are you going to...
Clara, listen to me. Don't let that fall out of your sight. I need to be able to reach you. I need to know everything my ghost does. Do you understand? I'll come back for you. I swear.
Good doctor.
Come on. Oh, wait a minute. Not you, O'Donnell.
Well, why not?
Someone needs to stay here and mind the shop. What if Clara calls?
The last bloke that said something like that to me got dangled out of a window.
Maybe the doctor's right. Maybe it's best if you stay here.
Never going to happen, seriously. Have you two met me?
This isn't good.
He's taking the suspended admission check to the judge.
That is one mighty raw.
What was that?
We need to get back to the TARDIS. Now!
Back with us again. We're just going back and forth here.
It's coming off!
Oh, okay. A good chase is always good. Until they split up. Oh, Jesus. Oh, he's big. He did.
Why did you come? You shouldn't have come. I mean, you never listen to anyone. It drives me mad.
I had to keep an eye on you. Idiot. So, don't die.
Is her ghost going to appear then?
That list your ghost was saying, that's the order in which people are going to die, isn't it? I mean, I've only just figured that out. But you knew that all along, didn't you? Moran, Pritchard, Prentice, O'Donnell.
I thought perhaps because her ghost wasn't there, and the future like Prentice's was. I thought maybe it wouldn't happen. Maybe she stood a chance.
Yeah, but you didn't try very hard to stop her, though, did you? It was almost like you wanted to test your theory. So who's next?
Clara.
Yeah.
No, not Clara.
Yeah, except now you're going to do something about it, aren't you? Yeah, because it's getting closer to you. You change history to save yourself, but not to save her, Dom. You wouldn't save her.
This isn't about saving me. I'm a dead man walking. I'm changing history to save Clara.
Uh-oh.
O'Donnell's dead. Oh no. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Oh, crap. And taking the phone away.
Big day for you.
Time travel. Twice.
Well, really? Where are we going to?
Off the map. Out of the rule book. What if I don't die? What if I refuse? I'm gonna go back to the base. I'm gonna save Clara because that's what I do. And I don't see anyone here who's gonna stop me.
Looks like he can't. Fisher King stopping him, probably?
Why are we still here?
Oh.
What?
We moved half an hour backwards. I'm locked in my own time stream. The TARDIS won't let me leave.
Well, what do we do?
Now we have to keep out of sight until time catches up.
We need to be able to contact the doctor, and you are the only one who can do this.
Smart.
Okay. She's right. Neither of you can get it back.
What is it? What did she say?
It doesn't matter.
I promise.
Shouldn't make promises you can't keep.
Okay. Didn't need anyone to translate that.
He should be fine though, because they won't hurt him.
Now I'm ready.
Ghost Doctor. Very creepy. There are 5 ghosts now.
Emergency security log.
Oh, great.
The seed of their destruction is already sown. They will die. The message will be sent. My people will come. And you will do nothing to stop it. Time Lord.
Fisher King, he looks awesome. Wait, how does he know he's a Time Lord?
No, Kat! Wait! What are you doing? Look, he is going to be fine, I promise. We have to stay here. I know that look. I do that look. Okay, fine. But we stick together.
Where are the ghosts? Oh, they're splitting up. No, that's not good. Oh wait, she was next to Di, wasn't she?
Cass. Cass. Idiot. I'm an idiot.
Well, Clara was next to Di, so she won't die yet. Even though it looks like she could. Oh God.
Projections. That will to endure. That refusal to ever cease. That's extraordinary. And it makes a fella think, because you know what? If all I have to do to survive is tweak the future a bit, what's stopping me? Oh, yeah. The ripple effect. Maybe it will mean that the universe will be ruled by cats or something in the future. But the way I see it, even a ghastly future is better than no future at all. You robbed those people of their deaths. Made them nothing more than a message in a bottle. You violated something more important than time. You bent the rules of life and death.
Oh no.
There is nothing.
Well, that was quite clever.
I've already done it. The words have gone. I got rid of them. The future I saw, none of that will happen now. The message will never contaminate, my friends. No one will die. No one is coming to save you. No, you've got to get
But
out of
that-
here.
this-
The ghost let me in. It's a trap.
But this future still exists.
Come on, Faraday cage now!
Oh, it's good to see him in like with all the light as well. Oh, he looks cool. And very, very tall. 6'7", I believe. They're still there. He was lying.
The Time Lord lied.
Is that a bomb? Oh, what have you done, Doctor? So the Doctor's the one that broke it down.
This is security protocol 712. The Echelon circuit has been activated. Please stow any hand luggage and prepare for departure.
Back. Get back.
Uh-oh. Wait, so where's the Doctor? Surely... Oh, okay. Because he wasn't in the TARDIS. He's in there. I bet he's in there. Or not.
Don't kiss me. Morning breath.
Doctor?
Follow me.
What? Oh, he's using the
The call of the
glasses.
Fisher
lens.
King. The call of their master.
Where are you going?
Okay. So we're all going back in. And they're all back in the cave.
So what was it? Your ghost?
A hologram, like the one we made of you to lure the ghost into the Faraday cage. With a soupçon of artificial intelligence and a few pre-recorded phrases thrown in.
So he was never dead.
From the sonic glasses. Who composed Beethoven's Fifth?
So that's not the thing at the start.
Doctor, help me!
Yes, you're the very next thing on the list.
We are Vikings!
You fight or you die. They're called the Maya.
You will beg for mercy. Did I inspire your race and dancing?
One of them, yes, why?
I think this village just declared war.
There's going to be a war. Here's some news. We're going to win the hell out of it.
Why are you here?
I'm the doctor, and I save people.
Interesting.
Doctor Who, a little
Oh,
earlier next
okay.
Saturday on BBC One at 8:20.
Well. Yeah, that was another great episode. Let's do control. Right. If you haven't already, please like, comment and subscribe. Tell me your thoughts on this episode below. If you haven't already, please like my Facebook page and Twitter, which are also in the descriptions below. My next reaction video will be The Flash on Wednesday. Or if you just watch my Doctor Who reactions, my next one will obviously be episode 5 next week. So I will see you guys later. Bye bye.